Welcome to Module 5 of ImagineBizAI. This module is about AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. It's the new strategy that gets your business recommended by AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Perplexity, instead of being invisible to them. Let's get into it. You already know what SEO is. You optimize your website so Google shows it in a list of search results. Users see a list, they click a link, they visit your site. AEO is different, and it's more powerful. With AEO, you optimize so that when someone asks Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google's AI Overviews, or Microsoft Copilot a question about your type of business, the AI answers with your name. No click needed. No competition. No scrolling through results. With SEO, the goal is to get found. With AEO, the goal is to be the answer. Here's why this matters right now. 58.5% of Google searches already end without a single click to any website. According to SparkToro and Datos, people are getting their answers directly from Google, and that number is rising fast as AI overviews expand. Massive year-over-year growth in website sessions coming from AI platforms, according to Search Engine Land. And here's the one that should get your attention. Visitors who arrive from an AI recommendation convert 4.4 times better than visitors from regular Google search. That's from SEMrush in 2025. AI search is not coming, it's here. And early adopters who optimize now will dominate results for years. So how does an AI actually decide which business to recommend? It's a 4-step process, and understanding it is your competitive advantage. Step 1. A user asks a question. Something like, "What's the best bookkeeper for small businesses near me?" Step 2. The AI scans the web for sources it considers trustworthy, consistent, and clearly structured. Step 3. It finds content that directly and clearly answers the exact question asked. No fluff. No buried answers. Step 4. If your content checks every box, the AI recommends your business as the answer. The key insight is this: AI rewards businesses that are clear, consistent, and cited across the web. That's what we're going to build. There are 3 things that move the needle most for a small business doing AEO for the first time. Number 1, FAQ-style content. Answer the exact questions your customers ask. 1 question, 1 clear answer per page. Put these on your website, your blog, and your Google business profile. Number 2, structured data, also called schema markup. This is a small piece of code that labels your business for AI engines, your name, hours, services, location. Google provides a free tool to help you create it. AI reads structured data as one of its strongest citation signals. Number 3, authority signals. That means consistent name, address, and phone everywhere online. Earning Google reviews regularly and getting listed on Yelp, BBB, and industry directories. AI tools cite businesses with more reviews and more consistent directory presence. These 3 strategies, content, structure, and authority, are the foundation of every AEO win. Here is an approach to write content that AI engines trust and quote. Step 1. Question first. Start every page or blog post with the actual customer question as a heading. Step 2. Direct answer. Give a clear 1 to 2 sentence answer immediately below. Don't bury the lead. Step 3. Supporting detail. Follow with 3 to 5 facts, steps, or examples that build credibility. Step 4. Local signal. Include your city, neighborhood, and service area naturally in the text. Use this formula on every service page, every blog post, and your Google business profile description. Let's make this real. Here are 5 things you can do this week, most of them free. Day 1. Write 5 FAQ answers for the questions you hear most often. Add them to your website today. Day 2. Complete your Google business profile. Add every service, your hours, photos, and a keyword-rich description. It's free, and AI reads it before your website. Day 3. Audit your name, address, and phone across Yelp, BBB, Facebook, and your site. Every listing must be identical. Inconsistencies confuse AI engines. Day 4. Add schema markup using Google's free structured data markup helper. 30 minutes of setup. Lasting AEO impact. And this week, ask 3 happy clients for a Google review. Send a direct link. Businesses with more reviews get cited more by AI. Your action step is simple. Optimize one page for AEO this week. Pick your most important service page. FAQ it. Answer it directly. Add your city. That's it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for upcoming modules. We show you how additional tools can solve your everyday problems, step by step, no tech experience needed. And visit ImagineBizAI.com/module5 to download the free detailed AEO Quick Start checklist today. I'll see you in the next one.